Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Winter is here, and if you're looking for a light food which would comfort your body from the winter chill, then there's absolutely nothing which can match the luscious warm cup of tomato soup served with those crispy bread croutons. And I'm sure you will really relish this tangy and yummy restaurant style tomato soup. Come, let's get started. Take 500 grams of Bangalore tomatoes. See that the tomatoes are ripe and red in color because we are not going to add any food color to the soup. And the Bangalore tomatoes are apt for the soup because they are much more fleshy and less sour, when compared to the country variety. And take 100 grams of sliced onions. This I had taken from one big size onion. And chopped garlic 20 grams. About 4 or 5 pods were used for this. Now take a pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil, any flavorless oil you can take. I have taken sunflower oil, and 1 by 8 cup of butter. I have used salted butter only. You can also use unsalted butter. Now add 3 bay leaves to this. This will give very good aroma to the soup, so don't skip it. To this add the chopped garlic and saute the garlic until they lose their raw smell. See that they don't change the color too much. Now you can add the sliced onions and saute the onions until they become translucent. See that they don't get caramelized. Now you can add the chopped tomatoes and cook the tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and cook this mixture until the tomatoes turn mushy and soft like this. Now add half a teaspoon of white pepper powder and mix well and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and after which you can add 300 ml of water. Cook till the water that we had added gets evaporated, now leaving behind the softly cooked tomato onion mixture. Now you can see it has become thick. Now the bay leaves have done their job. We can remove them. The flavor of the bay leaves have gone into the tomato mixture. Now you can remove and discard them. Now we can cool this mixture and grind to a smooth paste. So until it gets cool, we can make the bread croutons. For this, take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. And once the butter gets melted, you can place 4 slices of whole wheat bread. You can also use white bread for this. And baste butter and toast them over a slow flame so that they turn crispy and also they don't get burnt. Flip them to the other side and toast. Usually bread croutons are made by deep frying the bread pieces, but here we are going to toast them, and at the time of serving, we are going to microwave them to get those crispy croutons. Now the bread slices have been toasted. Cut them into squares like this. These pieces are not too crispy, at the same time they are not soft also. If you do not wish to microwave them, you can directly add these croutons to the soup. Now keep them aside till we make the soup. The mixture has been cooled. We can now grind them in a mixer. You can see it is ready. And the ground mixture should be strained using a colander this way, to remove those skin of the tomatoes because we have not blanched the tomatoes. The strained mixture is still pulpy, so add 300 ml of water and mix well and strain it again. Strain it using a colander again. Mix well. Now it has been strained well. Now we can discard the residue. Now boil this strained mixture over the stove top. Now you can see the bubbles coming up. At this point of time, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and sprinkle some mixed herbs, but this is optional. If you want, you can skip adding this. And add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We've already added salt before, but since we had added water, we are adding extra salt. and sprinkle some black pepper powder and mix well. Now add corn slurry to thicken the soup. To make this corn slurry, take half a tablespoon of corn flour, mix it with quarter cup of water and add it to this. Never add too much of corn flour as it may spoil the taste and even the consistency of the soup. Now you can see this is the perfect consistency. Switch off the stove and garnish with some mixed herbs. Now our soup is ready. Now we can microwave the bread croutons for 1 minute for that extra crispiness. Now our crispy bread croutons are ready. Now drop them over the soup and serve this fantabulous tomato soup piping hot on this cold winter evening. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comments box, which will encourage me to give you the best videos in the future. And if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Kuram.